Okay, it's like 5 something in the morning. Last night it was piss pouring rain. I have no idea if my car is like frozen because of the wind, or if that water that is all over it is fucking frozen. But it is fucking cold because of the wind. It is fucking freezing. I have no idea what the fucking temperature is. But it looks like there's ice on the trees. But it's 5:30 something in the morning. So far, that's what's up for us. Fuck you, winter. Thank you for knocking me out of going to fucking Florida this weekend. Thank you. I appreciate it. But update soon. As soon as we get ice or snow on the ground, whatever it may be. Woo woo. Casper out.